What's up everybody? So today is our last day in Puerto Princesa. We've decided to go on a little road trip to a beach that's not so close. It's called Nagtabon and it's about 55 minutes from Puerto Princesa. I think we're about halfway there now. We just left the city. Couldn't really film there because traffic is crazy. There's like vehicles coming from all over the place. But this beach is supposed to be really nice. One of the nicest beaches around the area. Right now we're just at the side of the main highway road. Yeah, the weather's a bit dodgy because it's the rain season. We're in August, but yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes. And as I showed you last time, we're on our 2 bikes because we're not allowed back riding. So we're just heading that way now, and then I think we have to cut inland. Alright, so we have made it to Nagtabon. Pretty nice drive here, right?
Yeah, after the city center, the center of the city, the traffic was okay.
Yeah, I thought it would be a dirt road, but it was like a nice proper road.
Yeah, maybe because it's near Puerto Princesa, so they built a good road.
So this is the parking spot here. It's 30 pesos per motorbike here. Really nice spot, check this out. You can already see there's some cool places to hang out. And yeah, I can't wait to get in the ocean, even though it's not sunny.
Yeah, it's not sunny.
It's gonna be nice. Hello.
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 There are some surfers there.
Yeah, surfing beach, cool. I don't think we've seen any surfers so far in Philippines, right? Yeah, this beach is really nice. They have some pretty big waves there. Pretty long beach as well. Yeah, by the looks of it, this kind of looks like the level of a beach around El Nido, like Dooley Beach.
Yeah, it's really nice. I think it may be the best one around Puerto Princesa. Yeah, if you come to Puerto Princesa and want to go to a nice beach around, I think this is the place.
Yeah, this place to come.
Look at
Oh yeah, always. This is what I'm saying, they approach us, we don't approach them. How you doing, big guy? You want to go this way so we can watch the surfers maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah? So this is gonna be our spot right here, watching the surface. Look who's coming already.
Oh my god. Lovely dogs.
It's a different one, right? Hey, that's my spot.
Hey.
Hey, get off. And check this out, so you do have some places you can stay at here. I think this would normally be like a restaurant or bar. Doesn't seem to be open right now though. See you later, Carol. Oh, that guy just got a wave. Yeah, it's cool seeing waves again. We haven't seen waves in months. Maybe all this year. I don't think we've seen waves like this, so yeah, it's kind of nice. Alright, I'm going in. It's actually started raining now. Carol doesn't want to come in because she thinks it'll be too cold on the bike to go back. Probably will be. I was trying not get in the way of the surface. Man, it is pretty strong though. Alright, here's my wave. So Carol was right, it does get cold once you leave the water. It's really nice and warm though, the water. It actually just makes you want to stay in there. I was saying to Carol, do you know when it's like cold outside and you have a hot shower and you just want to stay in the hot shower the whole time? That's how it is in there, so.
But you gotta leave.
Yeah, I gotta leave at some point. And I said I wouldn't go near the surfers, but I ended up going in the middle of them all. Pretty cool filming. It's hard to shoot though. I have a new increased respect for people that film surfers and stuff, because it's so hard to catch the right moment, and then sometimes you have like the water on the lens and stuff like that. I don't know how they do it. They must just keep filming all the time. I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We had no idea that this was a surf beach. Yeah, we didn't know at all. So in El Nido where we were, Dooley is the main surf beach there, I think, but it's not the season right now up there. It's only in the dry season I think there's waves. Right now there's no waves at all when we went, but yeah, I guess people can come down here and surf at this beach. Really awesome beach, just non-stop waves. So we just come to one of these wooden huts here on the beach. Got ourselves a Coke, and they're making some fish, tuna, right? Rice, vegetables. Yeah, you got a pretty nice view here as well. The ocean back there. I bet this place gets packed on a weekend.
Yeah.
It's Friday today, right? I'd be coming here all the time.
Yeah, me too.
So this is our food here on the barbecue. Got the tuna, and that's eggplant, right? Not sure how much it is, they haven't told us yet, but seem to have some. The soy sauce with chilies, rice. Yeah, this is the fried eggplant, I guess. Nice sized fish. What we got over there? Salad.
Yeah, eggplant and tomatoes.
Yeah, the calamansis. Looks nice as well, I like the dish. Alright, let's dig into this tuna. Dip it in here. Oops. Whoa. It always tastes good dipping it in the soy sauce. Yeah. Nice and crispy as well from the barbecue. Very good. So that meal overall was 830 pesos. I think just over $16. We're just going back down to the beach, take some final photos. And we noticed up there, it looks like there's some sort of viewpoint. So we might see if we can get the bike and head up there. Looks like a pretty good view, right?
Yeah, it should be.
I think it's a viewpoint.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll try to find the place and see.
Yeah. Really nice beach though. Definitely worth coming here if you're in Puerto Princesa. Yeah, I think a lot of people go to Puerto Princesa and they don't think there's really anything to do nearby.
Yeah, only Honda Bay, the boat tour that we already did last year, but we never knew about this place before.
No, I think I found it on Google Maps.
Yeah.
As usual, just clicking around. And this is actually on the west side of the island. I don't know if I mentioned before. Puerto Princesa is on the east side, so you basically just head up north a bit and then you cut through, and it's really nice scenery, just like everywhere on this island. All right, let's try and find the viewpoint.
Yeah.
Check out this guy. That means goodbye. So we found the spot. It is a touristic spot apparently. I think we got to pay an entrance fee. Nagtabon view deck. There you go, 10 pesos. Just got myself Cafe Blanca. That was 20 pesos. I'll just put that down here, 1 second. Got some nice spots to have a drink here. Wow, that is an epic view, isn't it?
Yeah, you can see the ocean is blue here, like very blue, very nice blue.
Yeah, I'd say definitely worth the 10 pesos each. Look how awesome it looks with the clouds up there as well. That's why the weather's been crazy, but we've been lucky. Yeah, beautiful beach though, look at that. Yeah, I saw in the pictures I saw were sunny, right? So it basically looked like really transparent. I'd love to come here on a sunny day.
Yeah, but even like this, it's still very beautiful.
Yeah, even cloudy. It already looks this nice cloudy. Imagine sunny. Carol's going for the flower shot that she found on the ground. Yeah. Beautiful flower, right?
Beautiful and big.
Yeah, huge.
There's a tree with many of these.
Yeah, loads of them. They're all over the floor. Definitely the spot to grab a cup of coffee in the rainy weather. Cheers. So we're gonna be heading back to Puerto now. Hopefully we don't get caught in the rain. If you head further on down that road, there's actually other beaches. I'm not sure if they're as good as this one. Maybe if we come back and we have time in Puerto again, yeah, we could probably check out the other beaches around here. I think they might be similar to that, but there's loads of beaches all the way up the coast from what I saw on Google Maps anyway. So this is the end of our trip here in Puerto Princesa, and also the end of our 4-day stay here in Nelly's Nipa hut. We actually stayed in the same owner's Nipa hut in Port Barton. There it's called NELLY'S. We stayed there last year and it's the same similar style, and I think the same price range, around $10–15 depending on the season. So yeah, he also has places in Port Barton if you want like an authentic experience like this place. Pretty cool, something different. And the next videos are gonna be from San Vicente. We're gonna be heading there tomorrow and we're gonna be spending quite a few days there, so hopefully if the weather's okay there as well, we'll make a few videos there. I actually got burnt today, so even when it's cloudy over here in the tropics, you should pass sun cream. I didn't think I'd get burnt, but yeah, you still gotta watch out. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for the videos in San Vicente. Drop a like on this video to help support us. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.